So what is a diminished value claim? That's an aspect of what we call a property damage claim. If you're in a motor vehicle crash and your vehicle is damaged, you have a property damage claim that will include the costs of any repairs to your vehicle, any rental car expenses, if you had personal property in the vehicle that was damaged. That's typically what 90%, maybe even a little higher, of property damage claims entail. But sometimes the damage is so significant that clients are concerned that the overall resale value of their vehicle has been negatively affected. It's been diminished. If they have a vehicle and they plan to resell it in the future, they're worried that they'll get less money when they go to sell it. So this is how a typical diminished value claim works. You need to prove it up, and there's a few different ways you can prove it up. The first way, and probably the most common and readily accepted way of proving a diminished value claim, is to take your vehicle to the dealership. So if you have a Ford, go to a Ford dealership. A Mercedes, go to a Mercedes dealership, and get the opinions of the mechanic and the sales department in writing. Sometimes they'll do it for free if you're a good customer. Sometimes they may want to charge some type of little fee, but basically you want a written opinion from that dealership that addresses what damage your vehicle sustained, and in their opinion, how much they think the value of your vehicle has been diminished. That's the best type of evidence. We then submit it to the insurance company, argue with them, and usually they'll pay additional money into your pocket for the diminished value aspect of your property damage claim. If you're having a difficult time getting a dealership to cooperate with you for any reason at all, there are also services around the country where we can send, and usually for a flat fee, I think it's $200-300, we can send them the repair estimate with all the details of your vehicle, and then they'll study it and they'll generate a written sworn affidavit of what they believe the diminished value is. That's another type of evidence. A third type of evidence, sometimes if none of those other two routes have worked, you can get on an autotrader.com or a Kelley Blue Book, and you can try to do your own analysis of what other vehicles in better condition you're going for, and sometimes that'll work. My opinion though, that type of argument is much more subjective and likely to be objected to by the property damage adjuster. So that's generally how a diminished value claim works. We help our clients. If we represent you for an injury claim, we'll help you as best we can with your property damage claim, including your diminished value claim if you have one. Call us. We'll be happy to talk more with you about it. You can reach us live on our website at trialpro.com. You can also call us around the clock at 1-800-TRIALPRO.